guys, welcome back to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do the outer wrapped 3-strand braid. So let's get started.
Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. So you're going to gather all the hair to the back of the nape area. You're going to take this and split it into 3 equal parts. The next step is to do a half a stitch of a braid. So I'm going to start on the right. The right goes over the middle. And then you're going to take this strand here, take a small section on the outside of that strand, like this. You're going to take this strand and wrap it all the way over, back under, and bring it to the same strand. All the way over, back under to the same strand. We're going to do a half a stitch on the left, so the left over the middle. Take a small section right here on the outside of that strand. You're going to wrap it all the way around, underneath and back to the same strand. Underneath, back to the same strand. Now you're going to do the same steps over again. The right goes over the middle. Take a small section on the outside of that strand. Wrap it up and under, back over to that same strand. Left goes over the middle, like an outside part of that strand. The right goes over the middle. Take a small outside strand. Go up, under, and back over to the same strand. It's all repeated. Left goes over the middle, outside strand, goes up, over, under, and to the same side. It's all repeated. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only. Okay, so before I go any further down, I'm going to take the outside of these right here and just pluck them out. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm going to pancake these out so they can be better defined. Then I'm just going to continue. Okay, I think I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to put this into an elastic band, and then I'm going to go back over here, pancake these out just to give it some more definition. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below. If you like these videos, please help to support us by clicking the super thanks heart icon and donating to our channel. Any amount is appreciated, or try out the products we use through the links in the description.
We love feedback. So let us know about your success and find our videos and parts you might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
to watch more of us. Click on over there. Love you guys. Till next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys, have a great week and God bless.